Hello. Right, so today I'm going to be showing you how to create a very simple intro which they use on YouTube. A lot of YouTube users use at the start of their videos. It lasts about 5 to 10 seconds long, just with maybe their logo on or the name of their channel and a bit of fancy graphics. Um, and this is a very easy way to do it for beginners who didn't have much experience with graphics design and stuff. Um, so we're in After Effects. This is CS6. We're going to need to create a new composition. It doesn't matter about the name for demonstration purposes. Duration, I've just put it to 10 seconds. Background, we'll have it as white, that's fine. Width and height, you'll need to set that to whatever the width and height of that's HD 720p. You could do it at 1080p. It's up to you. We'll locate that. So now we've got our background, and what CS6 has is, if we go up to animation presets, it has backgrounds here. Now this is just a few you can select from. You can find these sort of things all over the internet, or you can just import a piece of your own video footage into Bridge or just directly into After Effects and use that. But for this example, we'll just use one of these. If you hover over them, there we go, it'll give a quick preview of it, and we'll go for that one. That's fine. Right click and place in After Effects, and there we go, it's there. It's ready to go. Got that sorted. So if we just do a quick preview, it's just rendering it, and there we go, it's on a loop. It lasts about, I've got ours set to 10 seconds it was, there we go, and that's the final stop where it stops. So now you probably want maybe some text. So again, it has some presets, and again you can also find other ones on the internet. There's loads of different ones on here. I don't even know what to select. You can just go through and give you loads of different previews, all different things. Let's come back and have a look at some other ones. I'm just clicking on random ones here. Foggy, bullet train, transporter. We'll just use that for example. And again, place in After Effects. So we've got our layer here. This is our video layer. It's if we zoom out a bit, I want to see how large this is, because we might have to, well, yes, we're going to have to scale this down. I'm guessing that's the line of where the text is. So we need to right click. This is to scale it, if I can find it, transform, and we need to scale. We need to get this down a lot so it actually fits into the box. And we will zoom in again so we can see what we're doing with the layer still selected. Let's move that into the center. Now at the minute I think it's set to say Adobe something or other. We'll just do a quick preview. It's just rendering now. There we go. And that's it rendered. So there we go, that's the rendered version. We could enlarge that a bit there, so see that was quite small. So let's scale that up to 40. Let's go we'll go for the width. We'll try and get these two edges just on the edge, and I'm guessing that dot is where the text starts, so we'll try there. Do another RAM preview, just rendering again there. And now that's what it will look like. Adobe After Effects. Um, so that's a very, see, I've done that in, I haven't got a timer set, but I guess that's taken about 5 minutes so far to do that. The next thing you could do is you could import some music. I don't actually have any music files on here, but it's very simple. Once you import a file, I might be able to find something with some music on. I can't find anything with music on, but I'll use something else as an example. So this is just from some other visual effects. This is just blood hitting a wall. Yeah, so what I've basically done there. I know I've not used audio, but it's the same principle. You would go to File, Import File, and you select your audio file. It'll pop up here. I think it might automatically pop up here as well, and you'll have the file along there, and you can play the file for as long as you want. And you could also, for example, this blood hitting the wall, I could move it to here and it'd start later on in the end later on, start later on. There it is. And you can do the same that with music. Maybe you'd want just a couple of bullet sounds at random points. So you'd import your music. You'd have your music. Say this was your music file, and that was a bullet sound. You could move it further down or further before, and that is the basics of how you would make a simple, very simple, but effective intro. And obviously if you spend a lot more time you can make them really brilliant, but that I just made that off the top of my head with random pieces in a really short space of time. So I hope that helps a bit. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I will answer it as best as I can. And that is it for today. My next tutorial will probably be something on maybe editing with actual live footage, adding certain effects to it. I don't generalise in After Effects. I also do things like programming and troubleshooting with computers, all manner of things. So please subscribe if you like this, and I hope you join me again soon. Thanks for watching.